activist Serek Chambilash was arrested by Chinese police forces. Atatürk Association's lawyer Ayman Umarova stated that the arrest happened due to political reasons. Neither the Kazakh Foreign Ministry nor the responsible police authority has answered yet to any requests. At a nature stone exhibition in the Chinese city Xiamen with 150 Turkish companies, surprisingly, several participants were arrested by the Chinese police. 4 responsible for Turkish companies were arrested for allegation of tax evasion. Approved by the World Bank, Bangladesh receives a payment of $165 million in support of the Arkhanese people who have fled to the South Asian country. The funds are intended to meet basic needs. Venezuelan President Maduro assured a restoration of the nationwide power grid. Nevertheless, he pointed out that the high technology that had attacked the power grid was currently owned only by the US. After a long economic negotiation, China and the US came to a joint decision. As Chinese People's Bank President Yi Gang has said, there has also been agreement on critical issues such as the exchange rate with the United States.